welcome to LA's Hair Affair. So today I'm back with that video that I promised you guys, that tea spray. So if you want to see how I make that, stay tuned. But while you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Either way, let's just get to it. Alright, and that is it. It's pretty easy and simple to make. This is the finished product, which I'm gonna let sit overnight. This is about where it reaches here on the bottle. But in the morning, I'll go ahead and drain it with my cheesecloth. And although, you know, it stops a lot of the powders from going in, it does still slip through. So I do have a few tips for you guys. So when you're changing it to a bottle, you want to make sure that you get a bottle that has thicker tubes. I don't know what these are called here, but you want it to be thicker, because I did try several different bottles and the powders got stuck in and it didn't spray, so that kind of sucked. And what I had to resort to was this one. Although it has a big spray, the tube is huge, so the powders don't get stuck and clog it up, and it continuously works. Another tip I want to share with you guys is how often to use it. So you don't want to overuse it. You could use it after washing your hair, before locking in the moisture. You could use it when you have protective styles multiple times a week, but when you're wearing your hair out, you don't have to do it every single day. Too much of something is bad and it will get heavy on your hair. The last thing I want to share with you guys is how to store it. So although, you know, we put hot water up in here, when we drain it, we're gonna make sure to keep it in the fridge, because with the last one I tried, I kept it out and it lasted me about a week. It was less than this, but it started to mold after leaving it out. So I would definitely recommend for this tea spray to maybe keep it in the fridge while you use it. So, you know, there's that. But I do want to thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I'm glad I was able to get this video out sooner than later. And I do thank you guys for your support and love. If you guys want to see more like this, make sure you like this video to, you know, let me know to continue sharing these DIY, you know, recipes with you. But thank you so much for visiting. I hope you guys have an amazing week. Bye.